So now we're on the CRF 300L going up the gravel road. No, not quite. I mean, it's doing okay, but don't feel like a 300L on the gravel for sure. But it is pretty through here. This is actually a smooth gravel road, so it's not too bad.
So far.
So far. I don't know what we're going to get into. Or why it's saying up this unless the campground's on a gravel road. It could be.
Well, we knew one of these times on one of these campgrounds we would be most likely having to drive on a dirt road.
Yeah, we knew that was going to happen eventually. Oh, great. Somebody behind me. Come on around. Get on around, people.
U.S. Forestry.
Mm-hmm.
And then they can dust you out.
Nobody likes to follow a Goldwing on a gravel road because we go slow.
One, two, three, four.
There's no swinging bridge.
5, 6 7 log cabins so far.
Hey, we're back on paved road.
Oh, good.
For about 30 seconds, maybe.
8, 9. This is all like log cabin type houses.
Pretty cool.
Rustic. Some of them are actually
Rod
logging.
and Gun Club Road. Well, I told you about 30 seconds worth of paved road. What have you gotten us into, honey?
Not me. You're the one who didn't book the reservations.
Oh. What have we gotten ourselves into, honey? Well, that's a pretty creek down there.
I don't know what you got us into.
Clear water. It's not too bad. The tires on this is about what the Africa Twin come with anyway. The Africa Twin tires look like street bike tires, factory.
Wonder how high that water gets up when it floods.
Probably pretty good.
Wonder if it ever gets up here over the road.
Well, if it gets up that high.
Well, I don't know. Looks like I've seen some remnants of some debris over here.
We don't need no dual sport. Where we're going, we don't need roads. Well, look how high that mountain is up there. Look at that. That is way, way up there.
And a river runs through it.
Mm-hmm.
5.7 miles till we make our next turn, and then it's like a little over a mile after that.
Yeah. I hope this thing don't turn up some mountain hill climb.
Oh, if it is, we're in trouble. We'll have to turn around and go back. Holy man. Green. We can't climb this and that. Good way to have some flats.
But where's the 1-lane road ahead?
Probably right up here. 1-lane bridge.
That'd be nice if it just stayed paved like this. Probably another 30 feet.
Said be prepared to stop.
1-lane bridge.
Yeah. It off old babies. There's some ducks down there.
Pretty. Bolivar Mountain Recreation Area. Baller. That's where we're headed. We're headed up the mountain, I guess. I don't know. I hope it stays paved like this, but it probably won't. Five miles to go.
Look at that. It turned in like to a lake.
Did it?
Yeah. It went from a river to a lake.
I think it's just a wide river.
It may be, but it looks as wide as a lake.
What it looks like on the map. Oh, maybe the lake. I don't know.
Look at it out there.
Yeah. Hard to see through the trees.
Yeah, it is. Is this a bridge or a rock? No, that's a rock. No, that's not a rock. That's trees. Come around that corner like that, it looked like a rock.
Campground.
Is that it?
I don't know.
No. It says we've got 10 more minutes to go, 4 miles and 4.1 miles.
Must be a different one.
Maybe.
Should say Baller Mountain Recreation Area
Right.
when we get there.
You should be able to see the lake here. There we go. Look. Now
Oh,
you
yeah.
can see more. Yeah, that's a lake.
I don't know.
Well, it could still be a really wide river.
I think it's a river. It does look like a lake.
I think it's a
We'll have
lake.
to look on the map when we get up there. It looks pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, we're getting close now. 9/10 of a mile is what it says. Lake Moomaw. That's what it said on that sign. Okay, now we gotta find our campsite, trailhead, everything. Beach, it said that way.
Yeah, okay. So now we gotta turn around.
It didn't say campgrounds.
No, she said go toward the beach.
Let's go this way. It said beach,
Okay.
but it didn't say campground, campsites numbers, like the other one did.
She said you go toward the beach and then you're on campsite 12.
We shall just go down here and see. So here's one here.
What's this say? It says road closed 9 to 7.
I bet you this is just a pull-in spot to the
Yeah, this is
beach.
just a pull-in spot. This is just to come swim. Yeah, we gotta go down further, I guess.
Okay, guys, we have made camp here. This campsite is okay. It's kind of crowded. There's people both sides, pretty close, but I mean, it'll do for now. Yeah, in the middle of nowhere for sure. And don't bother me, but it'd rather be.
Battery level is low.
I'd rather be in the middle of nowhere alone. But anyway, it's okay. There's no water. We do have electric, so we have a heater and fan or whatever we need in the tent. We have electric for our fridge. I am gonna put the motorcycle cover on the Nelson Rigg cover tonight. I don't want that sap all over it. And I parked in the open spot here in case there's any deadfalls to keep them from falling on the bike. Got our rain gear dried out here. Built a fire. I put our rain gear. What I did was this time I put her rain gear in one, my rain gear in the other, and now it's going to be easy when we take it out. I put the jacket first, then the pants, then the boot. So we're going to put the boot on first, then you put the pants on, then you put the jacket on. And this is the little, I think these are 10-liter Nelson Rigg dry bags. Super cool. And they work real good for something like this. So we can just strap these on the trailer, both bags. Easy to unstrap it, get our rain gear out quick, and get it on that way. And that way it's the boots first, pants, then the jacket for both of us. So it'll be quick taking them on and off. And we got our camp set up and ready. We're going to stay here a couple days. Yeah.
And he ran up to the little supposed to be store.
Yeah.
That just sells ice and like I think he said a couple. But anyways, he come back and told me that some guy asked if he had all this stuff, and he says I got in the wrong turn situation.
Yeah, he said, that guy said, you ain't welcome in these parts, boy. You got a woman with you? No, I'm just joking. That's what I told her anyway.
He was trying to freak me
Trying
out.
to freak her out. But No, it ain't much of a little store. I mean, they ain't
No.
got nothing. They do have ice.
So we can't contact nobody to let them know where we're at
No
or
cell phone
anything.
signal.
There's no
Nothing. And even it's so weird out here. The tree stumps even look at you. Check out that tree stump over here. You can see it from this distance. I don't want to get in that poison ivy right there, but see the face in that tree stump? I don't know who that's supposed to be. Jesus or ZZ Top or somebody. Duck Dynasty. Peace, fellow campers.
Oh, someone painted a rock and left it.
Watch where you walk. It's poison ivy all out on there.
Oh, that's nice. He went potty out there, Waldo.
Well,
I
that's
didn't
nice.
see any.
Oh, yeah, but you don't even know what it is. You went and picked up sticks in poison ivy the other day for fire.
I looked for it and I did not see it. So he went out and went potty,
If it
Waldo.
has 3 leaves, just think it's poison ivy and you'll be okay. So anyway, we're gonna get out of here, and I gotta get that covered up, finish getting the inside of the tent set up, everything packed back in the camper in case it rains tonight. We got out of that rainstorm. Only thing we had for supper tonight was just we had shrimp ring, so we just had some shrimp ring with the cocktail sauce, and it was pretty good and easy. We didn't have to cook nothing tonight. So strawberries for dessert. It was good. So anyway, thank you guys for watching Woodsman Adventures. Please support us. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Right on. God bless.